I choose this topic. I hope by writing about this topic, then I can get a lot of information, deeper understanding about children language acquisition, the wonders which happen at the children in acquiring language. As we know together that acquiring is different from learning. Acquiring only refers to the learning effort for the first language, and in the learning activity, the learning effort only refers to the second or to the foreign language. That's why if my daughter is learning Japanese or Indonesian, it means my daughter is acquiring language. But then someday, when my daughter is learning, let's say English, yeah, it means my daughter is learning English, not acquiring. Well, another reason why I choose this topic is that I quite remember one of what is it, chapter in Al Quran, but I don't remember exactly the reading. What is it? But it's about that actually human beings can speak is because God teaches the human beings speak. So actually, let us ask ourselves is, now we can speak fluently like this, like what we do every day. Actually, this is because God teaches us, guides us, helps us to be able to speak. That's why I believe my daughter can speak. It is also because God teaches, helps, and guides my daughter to speak. Well, and then let me start the discussion. Okay, I would like to start with the word wonder. As I have mentioned earlier, the word wonder means keajaiban, or in Hornby, yeah, it is defined into feeling caused by something unusual, surprising, or inexplicable, surprise combined with admiration, bewilderment, etc. And then the second definition is thing or events that causes such feeling. I believe this definition is still quite difficult to understand. Then I try to synthesize the previous definition into this one. So wonder is a thing or event which is unusual, surprising, or inexplicable, which causes the feeling of admiration, bewilderment, etc. Okay, take a look at the word admiration. When we find some wonder, yeah, we will get the feeling of admiration. Yeah. Let's say, for example, now I notice my daughter can speak Japanese fluently, although she is only 2 years and a half. Sometimes I admire this condition. How can my daughter speak fluently like that? Even I never teach my daughter. I always say hi, susu there, and then maam, and then what else? And many other things. But I never teach her. Yeah, I just communicate with her right away. But I never intentionally teach her. I just try to communicate with her what I want to communicate. But in fact, from this communication, then it seems my daughter repeats what I say, repeats again and again, and then I don't know, but now she can do what I said before. Even she can produce new sentences that I have never said to her. This is wonderful, I believe. That's why this is one of the examples of wonders. Yeah, I admire this condition. Yeah, this is unusual. This is surprising for me. Yeah. Okay, and then wonder. Okay, children language acquisition. Yeah, actually, I make the best use of Pak Bustami's book because I lack of reference books, as a matter of fact. Well, in Pak Bustami's book, it is explained clearly about children language acquisition. What is children language acquisition? It is the process or activity of language learning done by children to acquire first language. Once more, first language, not second language, not third language, not foreign language, but only first language. Okay. Now let's come to the wonders. Well, actually, what I do in my paper is just I'm trying to find what kinds of wonders which happen at children in acquiring a language. So it means I have to identify what kinds of wonders. Let's say, for example, let's say my daughter says to me, ayo, maam neng ngarepan, ayo. Sometimes it's surprising for me because maybe it's a wonder because I have never taught her to compose that sentence, but she can compose it. My wife also has never, I believe, taught my daughter to compose that sentence, but my daughter can do it. So I believe this is one of the wonders, salah satu keajaiban, yeah, that God gives, that God shows to me and to my family. Okay, that's why when I was composing my paper, I thought hard to find theories to explain the wonders that we can find in the children's language acquisition. But this is not easy as a matter of fact to find. And I find these theories, and actually they are quite popular. They are quite well known. I believe you also have known it well. The first theory is habit formation theory, proposed by Bloomfield. Yeah. This theory says that children can acquire a language, or can speak a language because children get a lot of exposure, get a lot of habit formation from their environment. Okay, let me give you an example. Every day, let's say, I said to my daughter, actually her name is Yahrina, I call her Ina. Ina, ayo sholat. It's adhan, ayo sholat, pun adhan, ayo sholat. And then tomorrow, I say again, it's pun adhan, ayo sholat, pun adhan, ayo sholat. Again, almost every day I say her to my daughter.